Making edible slime with our daughter.
A berry. Is it strawberry or raspberry? Is it
Strawberry.
okay? How does it feel like?
It feels fluffy.
Oh my god, mine is becoming slime already. Faster mix yours.
Oh, it's almost becoming slime.
Danny, how's yours going? Look at Mama's one. Whoa.